Hi guys! In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about intricate costume. Costume is quite elaborate, but I'm going to try as much as possible to make it simple. I always introduce this measurement on my workshops. It's a very helpful molder. When you have this, you will never have a problem with measurements and sizes. Let's use some numbers. 10 is the biggest, 1 is the smallest. First is the legs, using 8 measurement for both parts. Add squares called acrylic block. I roll my clay into a ball. I made 2 straight even lines on it. By the way guys, shout out to the people who did my succulent dolls. You did awesome. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it. Make sure that it's even the thickness. For some tips and tricks before you start the costume. If you're the person who find elaborative costume really challenging, maybe you can try sewing or try to watch sewing tutorials. Or maybe you can also try to find reference pattern. It really helps me a lot since I'm making costumes before, because it will get more easier when you're applying it to a clay. Now we're done with our legs. Now let's get to the upper part of the body. Number 10. I started with the ball. I roll it with my acrylic block. I form it in a teardrop shape and attach it to the wire. Now I'm just focusing on the shape of a tear. Now I'm getting my legs. I'm making some undies. Oh, I almost forgot I apply some chalk pastel on me. Applying this makes your knee a little bit interesting to look at. Now let's get back to the underwear part. You make a ball and just squeeze it in the upper part to make a triangle. You can also notice that I leave some length on the back part. It will serve as a back of the figure. This one is made by Regent Tokayo. You can tell. what I really want to emphasize on this video. That's why I'm trying to speed this up. Connecting the body to the head using the wire that I attached earlier. I flatten my dark green clay and make a circle cut. I stamp a straight line and just do a stitch texture. And attach it to the figure very gently. You have to be mindful on the hoodie part. For the lace, I use some rolling cutter pattern. Adding some accessories for the hood. It have a tail. Twice of number 9. This will serve as her bunny ears. You have to put some wire on it to prevent it from detaching to the figure. When you are making a specific character, make sure that you get all the reference and all the description, even the personality, so you can know the expressions or the position of the certain character. I attach my figure on this base. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Bye!